Hello, and welcome to CIT Tech Tips. My name is Anderson.
And my name is Echo. Today we'll be talking about the differences between Ethernet and Wi-Fi.
First, let's talk about Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking protocol introduced in September of 1997 in Australia. Wi-Fi is used on local area networks to wirelessly connect laptops, desktops, and mobile devices to a network, whether it be to connect to the internet or each other.
Now, what's Ethernet? Ethernet is a wired networking technology first commercially introduced in 1980. Ethernet is used on local area networks and wide area networks to connect devices to the internet. Now, how do you decide which one's better?
Let's find out. Wi-Fi is limited in its range, but it's more expensive than Ethernet.
Even though Ethernet has a much larger range, it is more expensive.
Wi-Fi is easier to implement, but it is also less reliable than Ethernet.
Ethernet is hard to manage because you can end up with big messes if it's done incorrectly.
Another benefit of Ethernet, aside from the speed, is that it is more secure because you need to be physically connected.
Ethernet has the disadvantage of having the device be limited to its movement while it is used.
As you can see here, Anderson is enjoying the mobility of Wi-Fi. While Anderson is enjoying the mobility of Wi-Fi, Echo is struggling with the limited movement of Ethernet. But Anderson is struggling with a slow and unreliable connection. While Anderson is struggling with a slow connection, Echo is enjoying the speeds of Ethernet. Now we will show you how to connect to both Ethernet and Wi-Fi. For more help, visit the document below in the description. First, for Wi-Fi, launch settings. You can either launch settings by searching it or opening the start menu and clicking the settings icon. Now that you are in settings, click Network and Internet. Now go on the left side of the screen, go to Wi-Fi. Toggle on the Wi-Fi. Now click the blue button that says Show Available Networks. This will show you all of the available networks that you can connect to. For the purpose of this video, we will be using SST Student. As you can see, it is already connected, so we will just disconnect, then we will reconnect. If it is your primary network, check off the Connect Automatically box, then click Connect. Now you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now we will show you how to connect to Ethernet.
For Ethernet, you take your Ethernet cable, you plug one end into the Ethernet on your laptop or desktop computer, then the other end is plugged into either your router or switch.
Thank you for watching CIT Tech Tips. For more information, look down below in the description. Make sure to check out our podcast on Spotify. Have a great day. This is Longsleeve Echo, out.